G'day all, it's Colin from PCTLC. Thank you for joining me. In this video we're going to take a look at the XFCE panel switch, which allows us to save our panel configurations within the Xubuntu XFCE desktop, and we'll also take a look at custom panel launchers for your home folders. So let's get into it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to Panel Preferences and we're going to go to Backup and Restore. Now, according to this, backup and restore your panel configuration. So let's save the configuration, give it a name, call it Coles XFCE. Let's just say it's a bit of a GNOME sort of look, so I'll call it Coles XFCE GNOME. Save. There we go. Okay, so we've done that. Let's go back to that and let's pick Xubuntu Classic. Apply configuration, and so we've got a dock. Oh, that's handy. And we've got the original menu there. No whisker menu on that one. So that's very interesting. And a dock down the bottom. And that looks like it's a panel as well. Yep, it's a panel. So it's a panel. It's a dock made out of a panel, which is the best thing to do on XFCE. Is make your panels. Don't need to install a third-party dock because it just adds to the system resources. Just use the native panels is a great idea. That's what I've always done. It works well. So I'm going to go to my Coles XFCE GNOME, apply that. Oh, look at that. Although this one here didn't hold its settings correctly, so let's go to Panel Preferences. The length is, we didn't want the length to be that much, did we? So I don't think that matters where it is, because once you've got automatically increased length, it doesn't matter where. It'll go to 100%, but you drop it down to anywhere, it'll just go to whatever the size of the applets that are existing on the dock, so that's good. So it didn't quite save that. That's okay. Now, panel preferences again. Appearance. We can choose to use transparency on the dock there, so that's completely transparent. As you can see, you've got a little bit of greyed out at the back there. Or completely see-through. Nice. Might leave it at that. So let's just try and save that again. So we'll go to Backup and Restore. Let's delete this one. Oh, we can export as well. That's a good idea. Or we can import. Okay, let's delete that. And let's just try saving the configuration again. Looks like it doesn't matter if the names have a space or not, so let's try that. Coles XFCE GNOME, save. Okay. Copy of GNOME 2. No, that was my original. Okay, I don't know what's happened there, so let's just try. Oh, there we go. Coles XFCE GNOME. So let's go to Xubuntu Modern, apply theme. It's using my Windows icon there. That must have been already in. Oh, was the other one using that as well? GNOME 2. Apply. Okay. Places, yep. and calls XFCE gnome. Apply. So that's nothing like what I had it before. Okay, so I lost my settings. Oh. Okay. Okay, so I've redone my theme, and what I've noticed here is in the panel preferences, if you intelligently hide, the icons move back under there, the desktop icons. But if you never, they move away. If you always, they move back. So I'm not sure if that's normal behavior or not, but anyway, that's the reason why those icons keep moving. So we can just move them out a bit. I'm not sure if they'll go back there again. So what we're going to do is panel preferences, backup and restore. I'm going to save the current theme, give it a different name. Coles, no, we'll just call it XFCE Gnomish. That looks good. Save it. I think it may have been similar names that was an issue before, so let's see how we go with that. So let's just try applying a couple more configurations. Xubuntu Classic. XFCE 4.12. Redmond. GNOME 2. Okay. Yep, show desktop. And let's go back to mine. Okay, so alright, so a little bit of a glitch there. That's a little bit small. So I'm going to restart and see if that comes back to normal. I'll be back. Okay, so this panel configuration saving, backup and restore, we can definitely 100% say this is user error without a doubt. So what I was doing was I was watching my video back and I noticed that I had it on GNOME 2 and then I saved configuration. However, it needs to be on current configuration and then you save the configuration. So if I go back through quite a few of these and change them around, and I suppose it doesn't matter what I do here, let's change them all around completely. Change pretty quick too, I must say. It's quite good. So now I've saved one called Gnomish. Perfect. Everything is perfect. This bar is not long, that's not small, so everything is perfect there. So that's just user error. So I just did a couple things wrong using this. So it's a little bit new to me, this this configuration panel switch. So there you go. That's quite good. I'm really pleased with that. So just remember, when you're changing your current configuration, make sure you have actually got it on current configuration. Because what I did was I put it on my XFCE GNOME, and then I thought I would resave that. But what I've effectively done is saved a copy of this one here instead of having it on current configuration. So user error. And that all looks good. Let's just change it again, just to be sure. Gnomish. Beautiful. Got to be happy with that. Next, I'm going to demonstrate how to create custom home folders, just like we did with the URL custom folders in a previous video, using Menu Libre. So we go to our menu editor, which is Menu Libre. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to add a new directory. And we're going to give that an icon. We're going to browse icons, not files. We're going to use the system icons this time. Go to search. Or any home folder you're looking for, just type folder and whatever you're looking for. If it's downloads, you'll find a folder download folder. If you're looking for videos, if you're looking for pictures, there you go. So in this case, at the moment, I'm doing downloads. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm creating, so it's folder and it's home. I want to use the home folder, so I'll use the yellow one, touch it up a bit, and we'll name this home folders. Tick that and save. So now we've got our home folders. So inside of home folders, because that's already been selected, we add launcher. Browse icons. Folder dash downloads. Now let's give it an orange one. Just going to go berserk on colors here. Name it downloads. And the command, well, we're using Thuna. So like I normally do, I'll show people how to find their applications and their shortcuts. So we go to applications, we're looking for THUN, type that in, there we go, Thuna File Manager, right click, go to Properties, go to Launcher, and the command is Thuna. Thunar, Thuna, /home, /colon, /downloads. And I'll demonstrate how I came across that command, which is right click on your downloads folder, properties, and as you can see, if I move this window out, home colon is there with another / and the name of this folder, downloads. Save that. Now we should have a menu. That main menu, home folders, will not show unless it's got something in there. So let's have a look. There's our home folders, downloads, and we're directly to downloads. Go back to home folders, add another launcher, browse icons, folder, documents. Let's give that a green. Call it documents. Thuna, home, colon, documents with a capital D. Save. Home folders, documents, and there we go. And you can just continue to do the same thing. I don't know why I close it. I've got a habit of closing windows for no reason. Bad habit. We can add one more launcher, browse icons, search, folder dash videos, I shall use a grey one or a black one for that one. Let's apply that. Call it videos. Thuna home column videos. Save. Home folders. There's my videos folder. So that was Xubuntu 17.10 XFCE panel switch and saving custom panel configurations, and also saving custom home folders. Thank you for watching.